Generally speaking, there have been some exceptions, but they've been by far the exception rather than the rule. That politics is a blame game. Sometimes it's blame the people in power, and let's bring the other ones on to see if they can do any better. And there is in the American political system, there's a long-standing trend, I guess you might say, that midterm elections, like we're facing now, the ones between presidential elections, that the party in power loses seats in both the House of Representatives and in the Senate, and so a lot of times that translates on down to state offices, gubernatorial positions in state legislatures. So that does seem to be in play again this year. The Tea Party, I think, is a real interesting phenomenon as a political scientist, and how that's going to play out in 2 weeks, I don't know. Most analysts that I hear on TV seem to believe that it's going to be pretty much a blowout for the Republicans, that they're going to do very well and even may take back control of the Congress. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. I do think the Democrats will lose some seats because that's sort of the standard traditional thing that happens. We'll see. It's the third parties are real interesting in American politics. They play important roles, and generally speaking, we don't have third parties as strong as this Tea Party movement is now. So it's the last time we had any sort of close to a third party initiative that had the potential of having the impact would have been Ross Perot back when Clinton got elected in 1992. And if you look at the numbers, Clinton didn't get the majority of votes by any means, but Ross Perot pulled enough from George Herbert Walker Bush, George Bush Sr. to allow Bill Clinton to win that election. And then 2 years later, here came the contract with America and the midterm elections again, in which the Republicans did real well. Led by Newt Gingrich with the contract with America. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. That's one thing about American politics; it's always changing.